How do I connect a headset to my PS4 controller to talk?
Hello there. Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to go through a simple and quick process on how to connect a headset to your PS4 controller. This will enable you to chat with your friends while gaming and take your experience to the next level. Let's get started.
Checking your equipment.
Before we dive in, let's make sure you have all the necessary equipment. 1. A PS4 controller. 2. A compatible headset with a microphone. This could be either a single 3.5mm jack headset or one that includes a separate audio and microphone jack.
Locating the PS4 controller headset jack.
Locate the headset jack on your PS4 controller. This is a small hole located on the bottom of the controller. It's where you'll be plugging in your headset.
Connecting the headset to the PS4 controller.
Now, take your headset and plug it into the headset jack on the controller. If you're using a headset with a single 3.5mm jack, it will fit directly into this slot. If your headset has separate jacks for audio and microphone, you will need a 3.5mm Y splitter that combines these two into a single jack that can then be plugged into the PS4 controller.
Setting up audio devices on PS4.
After connecting the headset, you'll need to set up your PS4. 1. From the PS4 home screen, go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and select Devices. 3. Then select Audio Devices. 4. Make sure both the output device and input device are set to headset connected to controller. 5. You can adjust the microphone level to your liking here too.
Starting a chat.
With your headset connected and the settings in place, you can start a chat. You can do this by either joining an existing party or starting a new party. When you're in a party, the audio for the chat will automatically switch over to your headset, and you'll be able to speak through the microphone. And that's it. You now know how to connect a headset to your PS4 controller for chat. This should significantly enhance your gaming experience, especially when playing with friends. Remember, each headset can slightly differ, so refer to the specific instructions of your headset if needed. Happy gaming and chatting!